I'm sure you've heard of YouTube Shorts and how quickly they can get a massive number of views. I'm sure you've spent hours watching YouTube Shorts and wondered if you could make real money by posting such videos. If you want to earn passive income from YouTube Shorts, this video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you how to make an unlimited amount of money with YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing. It is very simple and will not take much of your time. Anyone can do it, regardless of where they live or what language they speak. In a moment, I'll show you 3 ways to make money with YouTube Shorts and how to find such videos, as well as 2 niches that have a lot of potential but are underutilized. These are niches that will always be popular and everyone can watch your videos because they are universal and do not require specialized knowledge from a potential viewer on how to find them. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. You can also suggest a topic for the next video in the comments. I also give shoutouts to my subscribers, so subscribe now if you want to be mentioned in my next video. Thank you for your support. Let's start with the first niche in which we'll be active. It's a luxury car market niche. Let's start by typing luxury cars into the search bar. Regular videos in this niche get a lot of views, as you can see. Let us now sort these videos so that the ones with the most views appear at the top of our search results. As you can see, luxury car videos are very popular, demonstrating that this is a very popular niche. Because these videos are very interesting, they can appeal to everyone. Let's now move on to the section of this niche where YouTube Shorts are published. Let's put Shorts into the search box and see what videos come up. Let's sort them immediately by number of impressions and see if they get a lot of impressions as well. As you can see, such shorts receive a lot of attention. This niche has a lot of potential. However, the luxury car niche is only a subset of the larger car niche. There are hundreds of millions of car enthusiasts worldwide. They are looking for content on YouTube every day, and if you want to get a lot of views, you must provide it to them. Consider the best example of a channel in this niche that does not produce its own videos. Car Talk, as the name implies, takes its videos directly from TikTok. If we click on one of them, we can see that it does not remove the creator's logo, which is present on the videos and is generated directly by TikTok. When we go to the comments section, the first thing that catches our attention is that the pinned comment contains a link to a product that we can buy on Amazon. This is the first method for monetizing your videos. Simply through affiliate marketing. Car Talk wisely included his affiliate link in the pinned comment. Most people who watch YouTube Shorts do so on their phones and will not see the video description because it is not immediately visible. However, more people will read the comments to see what other users think of the video. The first thing all commenters will see is the affiliate link to the Amazon product. The owner of this channel knows exactly what he's doing because he's probably aware that millions of people use and shop on Amazon around the world. Amazon affiliate links work in such a way that you are redirected to a specific product, but it's not as if you can earn money by selling only that one product. Even if a user purchases something other than what we are promoting, we still receive the commission. Amazon affiliate links work across the entire site, not just the products for which they are generated. The same links that Amazon provides us with another e-commerce behemoth. You can also include links to AliExpress products in your videos. The AliExpress affiliate program operates in the same manner as its competitors. When it comes to products available in the automotive niche, the options are practically limitless. You can begin by advertising small car gadgets in progress to slightly more expensive dash cameras. Another niche you should look into is dashcams. There are many of these products available in the marketplace, and they are very popular. In the search box, type dashcam and then add shorts to it. As you can see, videos are receiving a lot of attention. Let's sort them by views now. As you can see, the video with the most views has over 28 million views, indicating the potential of this niche. It is worth noting that the author in this case is also utilizing affiliate marketing as a potential source of income, and he is promoting a dash cam. In this case, the author provided a link to the product in the description, but you can include it in the description and comments of your video to increase your chances of making money with affiliate marketing. Let us now move on from this tedious theory and into action. The first thing we'll need to start our channel based on shorts is, of course, some 9:16 video. The best place to look for such a video is on TikTok, where the owner of the Car Talk channel is. Let's go to TikTok now. I'll be using the TikTok application for Windows 10, but you can do the same thing in your browser or phone, it doesn't matter which device you use. Now I'm going to type luxury cars into the TikTok search engine. As you can see, a slew of videos of very expensive and luxurious cars flashed through my mind. We can see right away that this type of video works very well on TikTok, and that a lot of people enjoy watching such videos, and their views are counted in millions, if not tens of millions. Unfortunately, we cannot sort the videos by views on TikTok, so we cannot see which video has received the most views in such a straightforward manner. At this point, I'll pick a random movie whose thumbnail appeals to me the most. I'll do it quickly so that I don't waste my or your time, because the purpose of this video is to show you how to create a short video ready to upload to YouTube, not how to choose the best TikTok to upload to YouTube. I just chose a random video, and the next step is to copy the link to that video. Because the TikTok application for computers does not support direct video downloads, I will paste the copied link on qload.info. This website will allow us to download TikTok in high resolution. As you can see, we can download our TikTok without the watermark, but I will not do so because people should know who created this film in the first place. I'll open the video I downloaded in Adobe Premiere Pro and add a caption encouraging viewers to visit the video's description and leave a comment. In these spots, I'll include an affiliate link to the product on Amazon. If I chose a dashcam niche, I would include text as a caption to entice the viewer to buy the camera. The video that the viewer will see that was recorded with the dashcam will make him want to have something like that in his car as well, and he will most likely buy it from our link. This video can then be rendered and uploaded to YouTube. I'll skip over the process of optimizing your short to get the most views in my other video, which you can find on my channel. You may be wondering how you can monetize your shorts in other ways. Selling clothes and gadgets related to your niche is one option. Thanks to sites like Teespring, you can easily create such a store. You don't have to worry about shipping or production with such sites. All you have to do is design the patterns and put them on the shirts or gadgets. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. I showed you how to make money in one of the best niches for YouTube Shorts. As you can see, there are numerous options, and your only limitation is your time and creativity. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.